All right, students, we're going to talk about the letter Y, and then we're going to watch, it's on this side, a little video that will explain it too. But first, let's talk about the letter Y. So the letter Y is a consonant, like on our yellow card. And when Y is a consonant, it makes the Y sound, like yellow. Y, yellow, Y. So this is the consonant sound for Y. But you know how we say A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y are the vowels? Well, that's why we have our pink card, like we've been working with Y, cry, I. So Y can make the I sound when it's at the end of a one syllable word, but also Y can make the E sound when it's at the end of a multiple syllable word, like Y, baby, E. Yep. So we've got 3 sounds for Y. Let's watch a little video and then we're going to work with that third sound for Y. Here we go.
Why is Y such an amazing letter? Y makes 3 different sounds. At the end of small words, Y says I. Sky, I. At the end of longer words, Y says E. Frosty, E. At the start of words, Y makes a consonant sound.
Yo. Yes. Yeah.
Remember, Y makes 3 different sounds.
Okay, so let me minimize that, and let's do a little echo. Let's start with Y as a consonant. I'm going to say the letter keyword sound first, and then I want you to echo me. Y, yellow, Y. Echo. Great. That's our consonant. It's on our yellow card because it's a consonant. Now for our pink card, and we're going to do the 2 sounds for Y. Y, cry, I, echo. Y, cry, I. Beautiful. Here's our card for that, the cry. And also Y, baby, E, echo. Y, baby, E. Excellent. So now let's take a look at a word I have over here on my ladybug. So I've got a 2-syllable word because look, I've got 2 vowels. And notice I have my pink Y here. So I notice my 2 vowels are separated. And let's see, looking at my syllable division rules, I need to break it between 2 consonants. So I've got N and D. Let's break up my syllables and let's take a look. I've got can, and then I've got D. Remember, Y at the end of a multiple syllable word makes the E sound. So our Y is going to make the long E sound here. So we have a closed syllable, can, and an open syllable word here because my Y is making a long vowel sound. Can, D. Right on. Let's try another one. I'm going to pause and we'll try another one. Okay, I've got a new word up on my document camera here, and I'm looking for my vowels that are separated. Oh, let me move that over here so you can see it. There we go. So I've got an O, and I've got my Y. It's pink, so I know it's a vowel. And, uh-oh, I see one consonant, so I can't break it between two consonants. And one consonant, usually the first syllable is open. So let's make this an open syllable by breaking it before the first consonant. There we go. Now I've got an open syllable here, po, and I've got another open syllable here because I know my Y is going to make the long E sound. Pone, E, pony. Does that look right? I've got two open syllables there. Great job. Let's build another one. To pause the recording and build another one. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look at this. Get back here. Okay, there we go. Let's take a look at this word. I've got the word, I've got two vowels here. Oops, I'm going to cover up that one. So I've got my I and my Y. So my two vowels are separated. I know it's going to be two syllable word. Break it between two consonants. Oh, I can break it between two consonants. I've got a double L here. So I'm going to break it between my two consonants, and this double L is going to keep my first syllable closed. So my first vowel sound is going to be short. Sill, and then I've got my Y is going to make the long E sound. There it goes. It's saying E, sill, E, sill, lee, silly. Are you silly? Okay, let's do one more. I have this one down here, and I'm going to move it up a little bit so we can see it. And I need to borrow my Y, that's a vowel, and let's take a look. So I've got my two vowels. I'm going to use my syllable division rule and break it between two consonants. My double F are going to keep my first syllable closed, taff. So my vowel sound is short. And then the, my Y is going to make the long E sound like this, E. So I've got taff, fee, taffy. What's your favorite flavor of taffy? Great job, students. We learned the three different sounds for Y. We've got Y when Y is a consonant. Y can go I, like in cry, in a one syllable word. And in a multiple syllable word, Y is going to say E, like in taffy. Nice work.